Hello, I'm going to try to explain the blood moons. There's so many people and they have to write a bunch of books and they just need to make a ton of money and they don't know a damn thing about what they're saying. Okay? Even the commentaries have no idea. Go look it up. Go look up Revelation 8:12. Listen to all the commentaries. You can hear them hum and haw because they have no idea. And they can't be expected to have an idea because the science didn't exist then. Okay? But it exists now. So I'm going to explain to you what the blood moons are, and you'll probably understand why they're hiding it so much too. Okay, the moon does not turn blood because of hematite. It doesn't turn blood because of the iron ore suddenly makes it red. Stop being so disgustingly, obscenely needy and needing to prove something about the word. When you prove something about the word proves itself. It'll jump out at you. You'll understand. It's real simple. The moon does not produce any of its own light. The light on the moon comes from the sun just like the light on the earth does. So, when the sun turns black as sackcloth of hair, there's a change that it makes during that period. This is an understandable change. The sun seems to crust over, and it'll crust over, scientists say, 100 to 300 miles thick. They don't know, that's a guesstimation, but that crust will blow off in every direction in a micronova. That's what the scripture's telling you. That's why the rich man and the poor man and every king and every general and everybody dug holes in the ground. That's why the governments have been digging holes in the ground for many decades. They've suspected this since the late 40s. They've known this for sure since they got back from the Apollo missions. That's why they went up there for the moon rocks, okay? That's why it's called Apollo, the sun, okay? So, simply, the Bible is telling us that before the great and terrible day of the Lord comes, the sun is going to crust over, and that's going to turn black as sackcloth of hair, and the light coming from the sun will change in amplitude because of this garbage on the surface of the sun. And that will change the way the moon appears to us on Earth. Okay? That's what's going on. There's a whole bunch more in there in Revelation 8:12 where you've got a third of the stars are blocked. Well, that's because there's a big old pile of crap flying through space, headed out in every direction, and it's blocking the view. A third of the night, a third of the stars, dirty-dur, a third of the day. That's a big pile of crap heading toward the Earth, and it takes a couple of days to get here. I wonder which side sees it and which side gets hit by it, too. That's kind of a whole neat thought there. If you want some links and stuff, I'll give you some links, but that's what the Bible is telling you, and that's what the great and terrible day of the Lord is. God bless. See you on the flip side with him.